Hello children, today let's learn to draw a beautiful flower and let's learn these colors. Purple color, light green color, blue color, dark green color, red color, brown color, black color, orange color, indigo color, yellow color, pink color, baby pink color. Now let's draw a flower. Children, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and please share it with your friends and cousins. Let's color the flower with these colors. Baby pink color, yellow color, red color, blue color, orange color, purple color, green color, now let's draw some leaves around it. Children, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.